Dear friends, welcome and namaste. In today's video, we will experience the thrill of walking with the king of jungle, that is nobody else but the lion, near the biggest waterfall in the world, that is Victoria Falls from Zambia and Zimbabwe. Private game reserve operators offer this unique opportunity. The experience involves walking through the bush with the cubs or young adult lion. Tourists are allowed to hold their tail or pat or touch them. Now here in this game reserve you can see number of cubs. These cubs are coached by experienced animal trainers to be comfortable in presence of human beings. Lions are extremely dangerous animals. However, until the age of 15 months they are amenable to be handled by human beings. After that they become very unpredictable. Here you can see this fellow is drinking water. These two are resting. Usually, before allowing tourists to interact with these cubs, trainers have to make comfortable to these lions. See, this fellow is just refusing. They're too lazy to get up. Trainers provide safety briefing to tourists too and make aware them what is to do and what not to do. Crouching down or suddenly running away from lion would instigate the cubs and they may become aggressive. Operators also will not allow anyone under the 3.5 feet height to participate in encounter because lions by instinct will go for smaller prey. This fellow is refusing. Now he is ready. Now you can see tourists would go one by one, hold their tail, walk few steps with them and take their pictures and videos. In our group there were many Indians and some of them were from Maharashtra too. Now you can see here Mr. Ramesh Kulkarni from Pune comes. He is trying to caress lion. Yeah, it's a bit scary. Now he's confident. Oh, here is his memory picture with the lion. Now here comes Mr. Sri Ram Deshpande. Here is Mr. Prabhakaran from our group. And here comes Mr. John Kutti. After this, we walked with lions about half kilometer. Actually, we have to go with their pace. Sometimes they stop, sometimes they refuse to move. Somehow we could walk with them about a half kilometer. Look at this. He's refusing to walk. They are king of this jungle. We have to follow them. But still we were lucky, few of us could take pictures along with them. but it was adventurous. In this game reserve, they have few elephants. Some of the tourists were opting for elephant ride for the game safaris in the reserves. These are African elephants. They have big ears and huge tusks. In this game reserve, they have few leopards also, and tourists are allowed to touch them, pat them and take the pictures along with them. I was too scared of lions, but somehow I could manage to take click with this leopard. Interacting with the wild animals is so fascinating and memorable experience. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel by pressing on subscribe button and bell icon for getting notification of my new videos. I'll come up with the new videos very soon. Stay tuned. Yours Desi Pradesi.